In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format Slack messages in Workato for beginners. If your automated Slack posts look plain or hard to scan, a little formatting can make them clear, professional, and easy to read. I'll walk you through what to type and how to combine it with dynamic data step by step without any complexity. In Workato, there are two simple ways to format a Slack message. You can type Slack's markdown directly in the message field of your Slack action, or you can switch to formula mode to mix formatting with data coming from your recipe. The best part is that both options use the same Slack markdown syntax, so once you learn it, you can apply it anywhere. To add emphasis, wrap text in asterisk to make it bold. For example, say asterisk order update asterisk. For italics, wrap text in underscores like underscore pending approval underscore. And when you need to show a short bit of code, an ID, or a value that should appear exactly as typed, wrap it in backticks, as in backtick job 1234 backtick. These markers tell Slack how to render the message. They won't show up in the final post. If you're typing in the normal message field, just include those markers as you write. If you're in formula mode, you'll concatenate text, data pills, and those markers together. Imagine building a sentence like order plus the order number field plus is plus asterisk ready asterisk. Put the asterisk in the text parts S and keep the data pill clean. This keeps your message readable while still pulling in live values. You can also structure longer messages so they're easy to scan. For simple bullet lists, start each line with a hyphen and a space. For numbered lists, begin lines with the number, a period, and a space. Break items onto separate lines so each point stands on its own. Lists are great for multiple action items, product lines, or next steps. When you want to call attention to a single line, use a block quote by starting it with the greater than symbol and a space. For example, sut greater than space important update. This creates a clean call out that stands apart from the body of the message. As you combine text and markdown, keep your formatting purposeful. Bold the critical words, use italics for emphasis or status, and reserve inline code for values that must not be altered. If a real value includes asterisks or underscores, and you don't want Slack to format it, wrap that value in backticks so it's treated literally. That's it. Using Slack's markdown directly or through formula mode and concatenating text with simple tokens, you'll turn plain notifications into polished, scannable messages inside your Workato recipes.